Hey, it's Brian from Permagreen. We're at assembly right now. For those of you who have ordered a new spray cable, or if you put one on in the past, we're going to undo the spring because I want to show you something. Take your spray lever and move it over like that. We're going to go up to the handle. When you put a new spray cable on, see this barrel right here? We want to make sure that it's happy right there, because a lot of times you may put it on, maybe you're in a hurry, and it's twisted like that. Now, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, but what it does is it puts too much stress, we found out here, on the very end of the cable. So, come back down here, work this lever, hook your Z up first, work this lever a couple of times back and forth, and let this barrel acclimate, kind of home itself. After you've worked it a couple times, I think that's where it wants to be. Then you'll slide the barrel up inside the handle like that. And then we're going to hook the spring back up. Pull this lever closed. Hook that up. Simple on Permagreen. Now, you're putting the least amount of stress right here on this cable because that barrel is exactly where it wants to be. Just a little tip to make your spray cable last a little longer. If you need parts like a spray cable, we've got them at permagreen.com.